Today we're jumping into a topic that, let's be honest, affects every single one of us, our money. But we're looking at it through a really cool new lens, how artificial intelligence is becoming this incredible tool for managing your finances, making the whole thing easier, smarter, and way more automatic than it's ever been.
I mean, think about it for a second. The budgeting, tracking all your spending, trying to save up, figuring out debt. For most people, it feels like this constant nagging chore, right? It takes a ton of time, a lot of discipline, and honestly, it can be super stressful.
But what if a lot of that heavy lifting was just done for you? Imagine having a system that's working for you in the background, 24/7, helping you make smarter money moves without you even really having to think about it. Well, that's the promise we're going to explore today.
So how do we even begin to think about this stuff without our eyes glazing over from all the tech jargon? Well, here's the best way to picture it. Just imagine you've got this expert financial co-pilot sitting right there with you. It's not grabbing the steering wheel, but it's constantly scanning the horizon, pointing out things you might have missed, and suggesting the quickest, most efficient routes to get you to your financial goals.
All right, let's get into the first really practical way this co-pilot can help out. We're going to start with a problem I think we've all had, those sneaky hidden costs.
You know that feeling? You get to the end of the month, you look at your bank statement, and you're just scratching your head wondering where it all went. It's usually not the one big purchase. It's that death by 1,000 cuts from all these little recurring charges that just bleed your account dry. So the AI solution here is something called subscription analysis. Basically, these tools connect to your bank accounts and they just meticulously scan everything for every single recurring payment. From Netflix to that fitness app you completely forgot you even signed up for.
And this is where the magic happens. The AI finds that free trial that, quietly turned into a paid subscription. It'll flag when one of your services suddenly jacks up its price. And maybe the best part? A lot of these tools let you cancel those unwanted services with a single click right there in the app. No more hunting around websites for the tiny unsubscribe button.
Okay, next up, let's tackle a big one. This is a challenge for so many people. The simple act of actually saving money.
Look, we all know we should be saving, but then life happens. It takes real willpower and consistent effort to remember to move money over to your savings, and a lot of the time it just doesn't happen.
And this is where a brilliant idea called automated microsaving comes in. The concept is just so simple and elegant. It's basically the digital version of one of those keep the change jars. These apps link up to your card, and they automatically save tiny bits of money for you every single time you spend.
So let's see how this works. Let's say you go out and buy a coffee, and your total comes to $4.25. The AI instantly rounds that purchase up to the next dollar, so $5, and it automatically moves that difference, that's 75 cents, straight into your savings account. On its own, it feels like nothing, right? But just imagine that happening with every single purchase you make all month long. It adds up like crazy, and you never even feel the pinch.
All right, let's switch gears to a topic that can cause a whole lot of anxiety. Debt. But the good news is, AI can bring some serious clarity and give you a real path forward here too. You know, when you're juggling a few credit cards, a car loan, maybe some student debt, it can feel like you're just treading water. Which bill should you pay off first? Where should you put any extra cash? The complexity of it all can honestly be paralyzing. The AI solution for this is called optimized debt payoff. So instead of you having to guess or just feel overwhelmed, an AI algorithm looks at all of your debts, the balances, and more importantly, the interest rates, and then it calculates the absolute best strategy for you to get debt-free. And the process is so straightforward. You just securely link your accounts, the AI does all that complicated math in a matter of seconds, and then, boom! It gives you a clear, step-by-step plan. It tells you exactly how much to pay on which debt each month to either save the most money on interest or to just get out of debt as fast as humanly possible.
Okay, for our last tool, let's talk about something a lot of people don't even know is possible, making sure you're not getting fleeced on your regular bills.
Think about your cable bill, your internet, your cell phone. Are you positive you're getting the best possible rate? Most of us just kind of accept the price and pay it every month. But a lot of the time, there are way better deals out there.
Okay, this is where it gets really cool. It's called automated bill negotiation. There are services that use AI-powered bots that will literally contact your cable company or your phone company for you. They'll deal with the automated phone menus, they'll chat with the customer service reps, and they'll negotiate a lower monthly bill for you based on promotions you probably didn't even know existed. It saves you time, the massive headache of haggling, and of course, it saves you money.
So we have covered a ton of ground here. Let's kind of zoom out and pull all these different threads together to really see the big picture.
As we've seen, for just about every common financial headache, from that hidden spending and the struggle to save to overwhelming debt and overpaying on your bills, there is now a smart, automated AI solution that is designed to tackle it head-on.
You know, the key takeaway here is that these tools aren't just little gimmicks. They represent a really fundamental shift. They're making expert-level financial strategies available to absolutely everyone, automating all the boring stuff and empowering us to finally take real control of our financial lives.
This technology, it's already here, and it is evolving so fast. It's turning your wallet from just a place to hold cash and cards into an intelligent financial partner. So I guess the only question left is, are you ready to take advantage of it?